Welcome guys to the Judge Janix channel again, and today we are going to discuss the discounted payback period. Okay, in our last video we have discussed the simple payback period with even cash flows and uneven cash flows. Okay, so I think if you don't understand the simple payback period, it will be better to go back and watch the previous video so that you can have the basic idea of payback period. Okay, and then come here to learn the discounted payback period. In the discounted payback period, we first calculate the present values of all cash flows and then calculate the payback period as we calculate it in the case of simple payback period in our previous video. Okay, so in simple payback period and in the discounting payback period there is only one difference, and the difference is in the simple payback period we took the cash inflows as it is. Okay, and here in the discounted payback period we will not take the cash flows as it is, but we will discount each and every cash flow to find its present value, and then after that we will take the discounted cash flows to calculate the payback period. Okay, and the formula, if you can see here, the formula is the same as we have discussed in our simple payback period calculation, where A is the last period with a negative discounted cumulative cash flow, B is the absolute value of discounted cumulative cash flow at the end of the period A. So this is the cash flow of the period A, and A is the number of year in which we have last negative cash flow. Okay, not last negative cumulative cash flow, and C is the discounted cash flow during the period after the A period. Okay, so how we are going to calculate it, I will show you with a very easy example here. You can see here we are having these 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, 0 means today and the 1 means 1 year after, 1 year after today, the second, third, fourth and fifth and sixth year. Okay, so the project is for the sixth year, and we need to invest this amount in these projects. Okay, so if we invested this amount at the end of the first period, the project will provide us with this amount, and second in this one, and at the end of the sixth period it will give us this amount. Okay, so these are the cash inflows, but we are not going to take it as it is, but we have we will discount it. Okay, so let's assume the discounting factor is 11%, the interest rate is 11%. So this cash flow will be discounted only for 1 year. Okay, so we get this amount. Okay guys, and this one will be discounted for 2 years, 3 years, 4 year, 5th year, and this will be discounted for 6 years. Okay, so these are the cash flows coming here, and here we have calculated the cumulative cash flow as we have calculated in our previous video. So this is the initial investment, you see, is the same amount, because in the 0 or today you have just invested but you didn't get any profit yet, and at the end of the year first you got this money. Okay, this 54,000 or something. So we are going to subtract this amount from this one. Okay, so we get this one, but the amount, the cumulative cash flow is still negative. Okay, so we are coming one by one and deducting this amount from the here. So here is the negative sign. Okay, here is the negative sign, and after this you see the amount become positive. So this is the last negative cumulative cash flow. So A will be the number of year of this cash flow, so that will be 5. Okay, and B will be the negative amount in the cumulative cash flow, is this one, and C will be the absolute cash flow, this one, in the preceding year, the year after the A, or after this one. So this is the C, this is the A, this is the B, and this one is the C. So 5, this is the A, B and C. Okay, in the same formula, and if you calculate these values you will get 5.33, which means this person need to wait 5.33 years in order to get to the break even, or the this project will give the investor his invested capital in 5.33 years. Okay guys, I think it's very easy, but if you have any question or query, just write it down in the comments and I will answer. Okay guys, thank you, and I hope you learn it. If you learn it, please like, share and comment on our video, share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.